so you need to replace a cartridge in your HP printer. Let's walk through the steps together. The first thing to do is turn the printer on, so press the power button. Next, open the paper output tray and raise the paper input tray. Then, load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guide inward until it stops at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it starts to bend the paper. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the printer. When the carriage stops moving, lightly press down on the cartridge you want to replace to release it. Pull the cartridge out to remove it from the slot. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Pull the plastic tab to remove it. When handling the cartridges, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles because touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Holding the cartridge by its sides with the nozzles facing downward, slide it directly into the correct open slot. Push the cartridge forward into the slot until it snaps into place. When the cartridge is in, close the cartridge access door of the printer. Wait 30 seconds for the alignment page to automatically print. The alignment page prints. When the alignment page is done printing, lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page with the printed side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the Color Copy button on the control panel to begin the scan. The printer automatically aligns the cartridges. Wait until the power light stops blinking. This indicates that the cartridge alignment is complete. The printer is now ready for regular use.